The definition and application of statica. Definition of statica. Statica is the scan of collision analyzing, interpreting, testing, and making decisions based on data. It, it helps to understand better and make more decisions. Type of statica. Distributed statica, innovation statica, organizing data, example and medium model graph, international statica makes prediction of generalization about operation vision. A simple example, after testing community. The statistical process, data collection, filtering, verifying data from preparation source, data promising organizing data into R, data analysis using statistical methods extra instead from the data precision misplacing ratios from able and or regional decision making mix of ratios. Example of descriptive capital man could fit the effort of data set medium, the medial solution defeat the debt equal to actual cost model the value set efforts most frequently in data. Example on international statica, demonstrates something to the cognition or estimation about operation is good house, cognition equals operation and operation step, make cognition the population parameter register and collection to delimit the relationship between variables. Application of statica in education, exchange student, Roman the example analysis and using that and partners in exam mathematical improv, changing quality, descending quality of test, and the application of statistic in business, market analysis, collection customer behavior data for marketing sector, risk management using statistics to train a partner quality control and measuring products at the required standard test analysis. Application of Statica in healthcare, analyzing the spot present in population, group prevention testing, testing to the web, drug treatment work, medical data analysis, editing, clinic, decision making, Translation Solita here tools of data recognition making is application of that, including like education, business, and healthcare, measuring stress and health